Someone might be saying that farming is expensive. Of course, it is not cheap. How much money did you start this project with?
I started when I was at school. I started with the 150,000.
150,000 Ugandan shillings. That is about how much? That is like 5,000. No, not 5,000. $5. No, $5.
Like 20.
Like $20. Yes. So you need only 20. You started with $20.
Yes.
And now, what piece of advice would you give to the youth who don't want to join farming?
I would advise the youth. We are now the drivers of the what? Of this economy. So if we are not performing well, I think that our economy is not going to performing well. So we should drive everything. Let us get into agriculture and we innovate. You know, when youth get committed at doing something, we can really do a lot because we put in everything and we have nothing to lose. So I advise the youth to come into agriculture, much as we use the other agriculture we knew, to involve a lot of hectic, physical, but then our judges, our mothers, they cannot think of these new ways of what? Of farming, the urban ways of farming. We are the ones with the solutions, but what happens, we are seated on the couch and we don't get involved. So let us come on board and know these things. I know things are going to change, we shall get money. Yeah.
Okay.
As I said, we have separate units. We have a discount unit, we have a production unit, incubation unit, and grow unit. So, and those are the things which bring in what? Contaminants. So you divide this. So what we do, let us assume that this end is not open because I want it to be as compact as possible. And our seeds, I want to
And why do you have to fold under the ring?
We fold this so that because we're going to put here what? Newspaper. We can somehow inconvenience.
They are folding.
Yes.
Under the ring.
Remember, to make sure that the ring is firm.
So basically the ring provides us with that farm, foundation,
the firm opening.
Yeah.
And later it can also hold the rubber band.
Yes. So we put our
The newspaper.
Then we put our rubber band.
Then fix it with the rubber band.
Boom.
Yes.
This is where you put your garden.
Yeah. So
Okay.
so here I find that temperatures here are different from there. Here it's way colder, much cold. Because mushrooms want what? Cold conditions. So these are our mushrooms. So we will, after the other gardens get colonized, we bring them here, and then we make cuts.
You cut when you reach here after getting colonized.
Yes.
You put holes.
Yes, we put cuts. After creating the cuts, our mushroom starts doing what? Sprouting out. So you can see mushrooms are coming out.
Yeah.
So most of those you see they are ready for harvesting, but because of our training, we had left them
For
so
people to
can
see. Okay.
We normally harvest them in the morning and we sell them.
Why wouldn't you harvest them now? Can I harvest this for a minute? Do I? I can't hear. Okay. This is one mushroom that has been gotten from a colonized bunch.
You just break like this.
Oh, okay. So oh Jesus Christ! I mean, everything you have to learn. I'm not a mushroom farmer. I'm here to learn. So you pull it out, all of it. This is ready to. Can people eat them live?
Yeah, you can eat.
They're not
But
bad.
it depends.
You know, Ken Norris doesn't like it when I'm eating fresh things. Look at the look of his face. No, you know. So these are the ready mushrooms.
Yeah, these are ready.
Eva, you're gonna cook. Eva, here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. So you've seen most people have no idea on how mushrooms are grown. Others who have an idea or who have heard about it have not even taken a step to grow mushrooms. It was as easy as you've seen the way he took us. You've seen the class going through it. You've seen the colonies. You've seen the other cold room. And this is you have seen the incubator, and this is the cold room with a grow room where mushrooms are grown. And these mushrooms for sure are ready to be harvested. But like you said, they were waiting for people like us to learn how it is done, to see how they come out so that they can harvest. Lima with Bettina is a new revolution. You too can make a difference. Join farming. Be like Samson. Samson is still going to tell us about his story on why he started mushrooms, what he started with, how much money he started with, and how many people he has inspired. Does your story inspire others? Are you an aspiring farmer? Are you an already farmer? an already established farmer. Would you want to do something different? Mushrooms is also another recreative farming project. Lima with Bettina is on the move.